So you've probably seen the title of the video, how do you get AI UGC to hold your product? Now many tools don't do this, they say that they do, but in this short video I'm going to show you exactly how. This is super raw, I'm just shooting it off my phone. This is the video itself. This is one of MakeUGC's creators, holding a product in hand, a prime bottle. We have another one here with the Graza olive oil. She's another MakeUGC creator holding the product. Kylie Skin, another one holding the product. Equidipie, and I can go on and on. It can also do apps as well. Simply, it all starts off with MakeUGC. You go to the All Videos tab here and navigate down to Product in Hand. It's available for all plans. You see I've already made another one here. Simply go across to add your product and insert an image, PNG, JPEG, one of these other types. So we can literally do this side by side. Get a prime bottle, pick this one here, save image as. Like it's really that simple. Upload the image here, that's all done. And then you pick one of the avatars from the library. So in this case, I was picking this guy. I'll just go back down. I can pick the same guy here to make it. What do you want to add? Hold the product in the right hand. Add product there. And then here on the video side, I'll just skip forward and just take this example. It will generate through. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes to generate. You click the video and then you simply say what you want them to do. So on here, I wanted them to, I think, move it around. I forgot what the prompt was, but you can see moving around the product itself, talking at the same time. I wanted it in an animated style, and that's exactly what it gave me. These are the other results. We have people here moving the product around in hand, another one here, and you've got the rest. It's super simple to do. It takes just a few minutes to put together. There's no other crazy tools. You don't need to use anything else. You don't need to use ChatGPT or Sora or any of these other things. You can simply just use MakeUGC to have these results. You can use it as B-roll, put it in rest of the UGC. Now this is something that we've just released, is the MakeUGC Ad Toolkit. It gives you 50 AI UGC videos, 500 video hooks, and full access to the ad generator and the product in hand feature, which I just showed you. So I mean, the average price for a UGC video is $247. You're paying just a little bit more than that, but you're getting 50 videos, you're getting 500 video hooks. We're already used by brands like Brez, Prime, and Salesforce, so if you want to join them, you have 3 users on your account as well. I'll leave this link in the description. If you have any questions at all about your plan or you need extra support, we have this little intercom live chat in the bottom that pops up, and you can just send us a message there or just simply email us at help@makeugc.ai. I edited this video, put it all together. If you like this raw style, let me know. I'll speak to you soon with some more demos in action.